Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Forza Horizon 4 unable to join session. First, all you have to do, just click here and then type view network connections, and then select your connection here, right click on it and click properties, and then go to protocol internet version 4 and click properties, and after that go to select second one here and type those numbers, and then click OK and close it. And now after that type cmd and right click and run as administrator, and after that right click and just click here and type those comments ipconfig//dns and click enter, and second one type niche winsock reset and click enter, and that's it. Now restart your PC, and after restarting your PC go to device manager and then go to network adapters and make sure to update all those drivers one by one into the last one here, and that's it. Then your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.